The new way to make money from YouTube is to create and upload YouTube Shorts. Even if we don't have YouTube Shorts to upload to YouTube, we spend a lot of time making them. This video teaches you how to make 1,000 or more viral YouTube Shorts in a very short period of time. Stay tuned for the video. Remember to like and subscribe the video. First, I go to ChatGPT. I go and type like this: create me 50 sets of facts in the same style as the below examples and format them in a table where one column is the topic, one column is the part 1, and one column is the part 2. Do not repeat any facts. These should be psychology facts, crush facts, male facts, girls facts, relationship facts, and more. They'll be formatted as a topic or type of fact, part 1, and then part 2. Keep the facts engaging, polarizing, over the top, and relatable to everyone or people in particular situations. The reading grade should be under grade 7 ideally. Here's a few examples. I will give a title for this type. Topic: Deep Fact. The relevant command can be obtained by going to the description below. Now I generate this command using ChatGPT. Now you can see what was generated by ChatGPT. You can see that the topic and part have been given separately to suit the given command. I then give the second a command like this: generate 20 more using the same specifications without repeating previous ones. This command that I typed is also generated by ChatGPT. You can also see the output from it in this way. After leaving the output obtained in this way, we will go to the next step. Next, we go to Canva. You need to go to Canva and create an account first. You can create the account and sign up with Gmail. After signing up to Canva, the first thing you need to do is search for YouTube Shorts in the search bar. Select YouTube Shorts that comes up. You can take care of templates related to YouTube Shorts. Click Create YouTube Shorts to create a new short. To create YouTube Shorts, first let's choose a background video. For that, click on the app icon at the bottom left side. Scroll down there and click on Videos from the options here. Here you can see video templates that can be used for the background. I am searching for sunset here because I want a background related to sunset. Here you can see background templates related to sunset. I will go down here and see a good template for the background. Here I select a background template and take it to the template to be created. This should be adjusted around the entire frame. It is done because we want to get the size of the shorts video. Need to make more YouTube Shorts and keep the same time duration of the video. For that, when I click on this template, the time duration can be seen in the upper nav bar. I want to limit its time duration to 6 seconds. What I do for that is to change the number of seconds here. I will change it to 6 seconds here. The video you can watch now is 6 seconds long. After that, it needs to add a header. What I do is click on the text icon and add a header. I will reduce the size of the header a bit and move it up. After that, I change it to topic. Change the color of the header to white. I want to add a background to this. For that, click on the topic and go to Effects and go to Background. I choose black color as background. If you want, you can go here and change the font type of TUIC. I want to add another paragraph to this template. For that, I will duplicate this topic. I am bringing the duplicated one down a bit. I will change it as part 1. I will remove the background of part 1. For that, go to Effects and go to Background and reduce the transparency until 0. Go back to part 1 and click on Effects. Coming to the effects, I will increase the color and the outline to add the outline to this part 1. After adding all the effects related to part 1, duplicate another one like part 1. I will bring the duplicated one down a little more. The created part 1 and part 2 are moved back and forth until they are split into different templates. After that, I want to book show timing like part 1. For that, I right-click on part 1 and select show timing. After that, I reduce that timing show like this. I will take the same show timing again in part 2 and reduce its length. Now you can see how I play this part 1 and part 2 separately. After that, click on the app icon and click on Build Create. Again, the section related to the first section generated by ChatGPT is being copied. Click on the data manually and paste the resulting document Ekata separately. Click on the Done button and save the relevant information. Now, what I am going to do is to paste the information I have saved separately into this template. First, right-click on the topic and select Connect Data. You can see 3 options related to Connect Data. I select the first option here. After that, you can take care of the topic like this. In this way, I select the other 2 options separately. Then click on the Continue button on the left side. Information related to each option that you can take care of has been collected separately. We need to collect this information in separate pages. For that, I click on Generate 50 pages. Now you can see that 50 video templates have been created at once. And now you can download these videos separately. In this way, you can easily make short videos at the same time. Also, you can upload these created videos to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Keep subscribing to the channel until another new video comes.